Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to the panel and the audience. This video is for us to present our project 1 entitled Automatic Rotating Lemang Cooking Machine. I am Danish Mikael Najmi bin Ishaq with metric number 01 DKM4BG4. As the group leader, I will lead our presentation. First, we will enter the research background. Lemang is a traditional rice dish that has become an integral part of Malaysia's cultural heritage. It is often prepared and served during various festive celebrations, such as Eid al-Fitri and Hari Raya Aidilfitri. This dish is made by cooking glutinous rice with coconut milk in bamboo tubes lined with banana leaf, which gave it a unique aroma sensation. The preparation of lemang requires several intricate steps to achieve perfection. First, the bamboo tubes must be carefully selected and cleaned. Then, the rice and coconut milk mixture is placed inside the tubes and cooked over an open fire for several hours. During this process, the bamboo tubes are continuously turned to ensure even cooking and to prevent the rice from burning. To achieve the perfect balance of ingredients, attention to detail is crucial. The amount of coconut milk used should be just enough to give the rice a creamy texture without overpowering the flavor. Additionally, the rice should be cooked until it is tender but not mushy. The preparation of lemang is a labor-intensive process that requires a deep understanding of the technique. Every perfectly cooked lemang is a celebration of our culture, culinary prowess and tradition. It is a dish that has been passed down through generations and continues to be a symbol of Malaysia's rich cultural heritage. Among the problems that often occur when cooking lemang by using the traditional method is undercooking or overcooking lemang on one side. After we check, this happened due to the uneven distribution of heat and the unstable concentration of heat. So, there are three objectives that we want to achieve. So the first objective is to design an automatic rotating lemang cooking machine to make it easier for users to produce perfect lemang. Apart from that, our objective is also to analyze appropriate torque to ensure equal rotation at each lemang by indirectly proposing a solution to stop the food waste caused by undercooked or overcooked lemang. So the scope is to the business owner and the consumers. Our product is suitable for use in open areas. So what is a literature review? Literature review is a summary of a subject field that supports the identification of specific research questions. So these are some of the concepts that we use. The first one is the chain drive mechanism concept. We take it from the author named Hawk M. So the title of the journal is about the chain and sprocket. How do they work? Okay, the literature review detail explain of how chain and sprocket work in a moving system. And then the second one, we use the adjustment mechanism theories from the author Ahmad Bokareton, Press LLC 1999. So the title of the journal is the Optomechanical Engineering Handbook ED Anis. It explains the working of adjustment mechanism. And the third one is thermal evaluation of lemang. We take it from the author Sakita. And the article title is Design, Fabrication, and thermal evaluation of Lemang cooking devices with continuous rotating system. The literature review explains the effect of thermal evaluation on cooking. And the last one, we use the concept of the stainless steel for cooking. From the author Encyclopedia Britannica, that the title is the definition and composition, types and facts. The literature review details that explain the use of stainless steel in cooking. This flowchart is an overview and arrangement of our work from the beginning of the project to the end. To add more information, we use the Google Form platform and produce a questionnaire to create a survey that will be answered by the public, which further help us to create products that users need. So the first question we ask is, how old are you? And the answer is half of the respondents are 20 to 30 years old. The next question is, how often do you cook lemang? And the majority of them, as much as 70%, less than 10 times. This indicates a possible problem of overcook or undercooking due to lack of experience on the part of the cook himself. And the third question, what method do you think is the best to cook lemang? And 80% answered the burning or the bake method. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil Adam bin Azhar. My registration number is 10DKM4BG4. As for our respondent, survey ni analysis, type of bamboo. Our respondent choose more buluh padi than buluh rusak or buluh pelang. And size of bamboo, our respondent choose more medium than large or small. Type of wrapping leaf, we are gonna using banana leaf. And for the next is the common way of cooking lemang require a lot of time and energy to produce the perfect lemang. And our respondent choose yes instead of no. As for the next questionnaire, is the common way of cooking lemang require a lot of time and energy to produce the perfect lemang. Our respondent vote for yes instead of no. Does a user ever experience a problem, lemang becoming so hard to the point that it had to be wasted? The respondent vote for yes and no, but 76.5 vote for yes. Are users satisfied with getting a hard lemang after spending a long time and energy to produce lemang? Mostly we are getting vote for very disappointed. For the next questionnaire, our respondent are strongly agree to see when we ask them about our lemang cook is easy to use and can save the user's time. And for the next question is, can we loaded with various size of bamboo? And most of the respondents said quite disagree. And for the next question is, lemang can turn while cooking so that all part of the lemang can be cooked evenly. Our respondent says strongly agree. As for orientation throughout the lemang cooking process, the respondent said very great. Estimate time to cook about 4 till 5 hours. Time often cook lemang are usually night. And for morphology chart are utilized for several reasons such as idea generation, systematic exploration, problem solving, evaluation and selection. Documentation and communication. Overall, morphology charts are valuable tools for coverage of all potential options. They help break down complex problems into manageable components, making it easier to identify potential solutions or approaches. So, house of quality is used for several reasons as customer-centric approach. Quality improvement, prioritization of requirement, alignment of objective, and continuous improvement. HOQ or House of Quality is a powerful tool for aligning customer needs with product design, fostering collaboration across functions and continuous improvement. As concept 1, use real bamboo and it easy to control and wide heat penetration as for material concept 1. It easily to obtain and available for cooking. For concept 2 are using iron drum and it using 19 degree to cook lemang. As for material concept 2, excellent thermal conductivity allowing for efficient and even distribution of heat. As for concept 3, design are used for double side cooking. It easy to manage heat penetration, and as for material, corrosion resistant and durability. For concept 4, concept 4 are using iron gullet as a reference. It use an iron cylinder and simple to build for cooking and provide heat proof.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Arif Mikael Bashar Afzan. My matrix number is 01 DKM4BG4 1047. As you can see, this is our book chart. We have 6 requirements in our book chart, and all 4 of us have done all the requirement. As you can see, student 1 have score 3 points, student 2 5 points, student 3 4 points, and student 4 4 points. For this point method, 1 is equal to good performance and 0 equal to bad performance. Next, this is our final design. This is the expert version of our design. For product improvement, as you can see, we have 5 improvement that we're trying to achieve. The first one is save energy, easy to use, easy to carry, safety and health, and long lasting. For save energy, we have reached 3 points. For easy to use, 4 points, easy to carry 2 points, safety and health 4 points, and long lasting 4 points. For the grading point method, 1 is equal to poor performance and 4 equal to great performance. Next, we can see this is our Gantt chart for the whole semester of our project. We have give our best to follow every detail, to do every work, to complete every task for this project. Now I will start fabrication of cup holder. We make sure to obtain a top quality universal cup holder from the hardware store. With precision and care, we weld a robust metal rod measuring 150 mm in length and 50 mm in width. Finally, we fuse the metal rod to the sprocket, creating exceptional and versatile rotating cup holder that will complete the rotating mechanism. This is this cup holder is used to hold our lemang so that we can rotate it for cooking. Next, this is the fabrication of our base frame. our stainless steel sheet of the highest quality, measuring 2.438 meters in length and 1.22 meters in width, with each sheet according to your unique design requirement. We grind the surface to ensuring that no dust or foreign matter remain. We use expert welding technique to create a steady base frame, along with a 1 meter stainless steel rod on the side to connect the pendle floor frame. We cut to 3 holes from the top to bottom to place the lemang to provide the maximum accessibility. Finally, we grind away any excess dust and welding dust with a brush, leaving you a perfect frame base. Next is our lemang. We bought high quality bamboos with a desired diameter to ensure the best result. Next is the fabrication of closed door. We using the same stainless steel we acquired. We cut into a rectangular shape that measure 2.1 m in length and 1.4 in width. Then we will remove extra dust after we create the rectangular shape. Then we will cut through the top side and make a hole to create a handle. Then we will create a fillet to process and create a round surface so that we can get a round handle for the closed door. And finally, we clean all our surface with a iron brush to grind away all the remaining dust.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Abdurrani and my matrix number is 01 DKM4BG4 Now I want to tell you about the fabrication of the chain. For the chain, we just bought a 4 meter length chain at the shop because we just want to connect the sprocket and the motor together. Then for the motor, we bought a 2 kilowatt motor because it is really suitable for our project. Then for the lamp, which is a light frame pendle floor lamp because it's light, it's not too dark and too light. Now for the fabrication of our overall project, first we need to prepare the base frame. Then we should connect the closed door at the top using ancel. After that, we have to weld the cup holder to the base frame. Next, we should connect the chain to the sprocket under the cup holder and also attach the AC motor to the chain. We need to test it first to ensure that the rotating system is working properly. Then, we should start wiring to connect the pendle floor light and check if the bulb is working fine. Finally, if everything is working as expected, we can test run the machine with cooking. Finally, after settling everything, we should do a last checkup before cleaning up. Okay, now for the suggested testing, we choose dye penetration testing because the dye penetration will detect the defect in the welding plate. The other one is X-ray testing. We use the X-ray testing to detect any defect in our welding process because the procedure is necessary in order to imply perfect quality. Now for the estimated cost. For the stainless steel, the length is 2.4 meter and the width is 1.2 meter. The quantity is 2 and the price per unit is 253. Now for the AC motor, the price per unit is 105. The chain is 83 ringgit with 4 meter in length. The generator, for the generator, we buy a fuel generator with a 5 kilowatt with a price of 768 ringgit and 90 cents. For the light, the price is 10 ringgit per unit. For the timer, we use a digital and LCD timer with a price of 5 ringgit and 90 cents. For the final total cost, it is 1,477 cents, 77 ringgit and 77 cents. Now for the project impact, the advent of the automatic rotating lemang machine has brought about a remarkable transformation in the traditional machine dish of lemang. This is a technological breakthrough that has numerous benefits and impacts, which we shall delve into in this essay. Foremost, the automatic rotating lemang machine has significantly enhanced the efficiency and safety of the lemang preparation process. The traditional method of rotating the lemang manually is not only time consuming, but also poses a considerable risk of hand burns. However, the automatic rotating system of the machine mitigates this risk, thereby ensuring the safety of the users. Moreover, it operates with minimal human intervention, thus saving time and effort, particularly during festive seasons when the demand for lemang is high. Another significant impact of the automatic rotating lemang machine is that it produces consistent quality lemang. The machine guarantees a uniform rotation, resulting in evenly cooked lemang. This is a marked improvement over the manual methods where uneven rotation can lead to inconsistent cooking. Additionally, the automatic lemang machine maintains optimal cooking conditions, which is significantly reduced cooking time, unlike the traditional method that can take up to 5 hours. Lastly, the integration of the automatic lemang machine with the latest Internet of Things system is a game changer. This feature allows for real-time monitoring and control of the machine, further enhancing its efficiency and ease of use. With this innovation, users can now prepare lemang with much ease and convenience. In conclusion, the automatic rotating lemang machine is a technological advancement that has transformed to the traditional machine dish of lemang. That's all from us. Thank you.